Our undergraduate international marketing degree, taught at our Marylebone campus, prepares you to thrive in the fast-paced world of global marketing. You'll study international marketing strategy, consumer behaviour, branding, culture and ethics, with the flexibility to tailor your degree through specialist option modules. You'll also gain hands-on experience with AI and digital tools used by the leading agencies, applying your skills to real-world business projects. Between your second and third year, you'll have the opportunity to take a one-year placement or study abroad, giving you valuable professional and international experience. You will also benefit from access to Zone 29, the university's home of careers and enterprise. The course is accredited by the Digital Marketing Institute, the Chartered Institute of Marketing and the Institute of Data and Marketing. Combining academic study with practical application, including international field trips and live client briefs, it prepares you for careers such as advertising executives, brand manager, market researcher, product development officer, or social media executive. Graduates have gone on to work in leading organisations, including the BMW Group, JP Morgan, Sony, and the UK Parliament.